Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do another exercise, and in this exercise we will use two sentences. The first tense is of future indefinite and future continuous tense. We have to use two tenses in this exercise: future indefinite, future continuous. You know, in future indefinite we use will or shall, and in future continuous we use will be or shall be. Okay, plus fourth form plus first form. So here is the way. In this way we have to solve this exercise. Okay, the very first sentence is you not understand it, mean describing a single action. So it's mean we will use we will not understand it, or you will not understand it. This watch will not cost very much. It's also describing a single action. So mean we are using future indefinite tense, will not cost very much. Okay, if is talking about the action that is to happen in future, so we will use will be plus fourth form. Otherwise, if it is talking about a single action like in these two sentences, so we will use only will or shall plus first form. The third one is she work hard for competition. So mean single action. Okay, so it's mean she will work hard for competition. She will work hard for competition. Okay, now these sentences, look at 4, all night, in the morning, at usual time. They are indicating future prospects, mean that actions are to be taken place in future. So mean we will use will be plus fourth form. Like, what will you be doing at 4? What will you will be doing at 4? Okay, they will be traveling. They will be traveling all night. They will be traveling all night. Mean that is the action that is to taken place in near future. So we will use will be plus fourth form, mean ing. Okay, she learn her lesson in French in the morning. In the morning mean the action is to take place in the future. So we will also use she will be learning her lesson in French in the morning. Okay, the next one, I wait for you at the usual time. Mean is next is also waiting, like in the previous days he is waiting. So it's mean I will be waiting or I shall be waiting for you. I will be waiting for you at the usual time. So this is a difference between single action and action that has to be taken place in the near future. So it's mean that if it is a single action, you will not understand it. It's a single action, so we use only will or shall. If they are talking about in future, that action that has to be taken place in future, so it's mean we will use will be plus fourth form. Like, what you will be doing at 4, they will be traveling all night, she will be learning her lesson in French in the morning, I will be waiting for you at the usual time. So dear, this is a little difference between the future indefinite tense and future continuous tense. I hope you got the lecture. Inshallah we will meet soon in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.